Alright, so the GoPro Hero 5 Session in 2019, is it still relevant and should you get it? Well, the Hero 5 Session was released back in 2016 with the GoPro Hero 5 Black lineup, and the reason I have it today with me is because I found out that it has something which can actually be utilized to get hypersmooth stabilization, which we get in the Hero 7 Black. And I'll be using a software called ReelSteady Go, which actually uses what we call the gyro data, which is recorded in the camera. The Hero 5 Session actually records the gyro data, unlike the Hero 4 Session, which does not, because it does not have video stabilization. And we're going to use the gyro data from the Hero 5 Session to actually stabilize some of the clips which you will be seeing at the end, and all those videos will be stabilized using the ReelSteady Go, which are actually as good as the Hypersmooth. Now, although I have the GoPro Fusion, which is a fantastic 360 camera, and it has a wonderful stabilization once we process it in Fusion Studio, but it's not as durable or tough as the Hero lineup, as the lens are very delicate and you have to be very careful with them. So yeah, this is the Hero 5 Session in 2019 and this is what you can achieve with it. So I think it's still relevant in 2019 as far as you can get it, because they are almost out of stock everywhere because GoPro is no longer producing them. Also, let me know in the comments section that if you'd like to know how to use the ReelSteady Go software, and I'll be happy to make a video on that as well. So let me know in the comments section and also subscribe to the channel as well.